Hello everyone. Today I will be demonstrating how to use PenTablet during online teaching using Webex platform. So in this video, I will show unboxing of PenTablet with its accessories, how to install drivers for XP-PEN Star03 V2 PenTablet, how to connect PenTablet with your laptop, and how to use it during online teaching using Webex platform. So welcome to my channel. I hope you will find this video useful for online teaching. This is the box containing XP-PEN PenTablet. XP-PEN is one of the leading tablet producer apart from Wacom and also Huion that you might have heard. So this Star03 PenTablet comes in this type of box. This is the back side of that box. Some specifications are mentioned on the back side of this box. When you will open the box, you will find nicely packed PenTablet along with its accessories. If you look at this tablet, it is quite light in weight. It comes with USB cable, pen for writing, pen holder, and some manuals along with warranty card. So this is the accessory comes with this PenTablet. This pen holder has two parts and we have to connect this holder. So these are the two parts of that pen holder. This pen holder comes with 8 pen tips that you can use in case of damage to the tip, and you can change the tip of your pen. So you can see the tips here. So we have to connect these two parts to use this pen holder. After connecting, the pen holder look like this, and we can put the pen inside this pen holder while using this pen. So always put the pen inside the pen holder to protect the tip of this pen. So this graphic drawing PenTablet comes with this quick guide, warranty card, and this USB cable, pen, and pen holder. Now we will see how to connect this PenTablet with your laptop. So to connect this tablet with the laptop, you have to use this USB cable. Just connect the tablet to the laptop using this USB cable. Now before you use this tablet, you have to install the drivers in the laptop. So let us see how to install the drivers. This procedure is given in the manual. So open the browser and then type xp-pen.com. Once you click on xp-pen.com, you will get page something like this. Then select support. Now click on this support and then click on this download. When you click on download, you will get different types of tablets here. Then select the tablet which you want. So I am selecting here Star03. So this is that tablet which I am going to demonstrate the use of this tablet. So click on that tablet. So when you click on the tablet, you will find here various options for downloading the drivers. So select as per your operating system. So I am using this to download the drivers. Windows 7, 8, 10. Once you click on this download, you can see here this is downloading in zip format. So download this driver. After downloading, extract your downloaded file, go to the folder and run the driver application. Click on install. It will take a while to install the driver. After installing, click on complete. Then your pen tablet is ready to use now. Once you complete the installing, you can see such type of icon on your desktop. You can get driver manual, quick guide, users manual, etc. on this website. Everything is available on this website. Once the drivers are downloaded, this file will appear in download folder. Click on that file. You will get this screen. Accept all the terms and conditions and then click on install. When you click on install, the drivers will be installed in your computer. Then this screen will appear. Click on this complete to complete the process. And once the installation is done successfully, then this icon will appear on your screen. During installation, keep the pen tablet connected to your laptop. Otherwise, you may get error message. Now, when you click on this symbol, you will find some settings here. These are the settings for pen. These are the settings for pen pressure sensitivity. If you want to change, then you can change it. Otherwise, keep it as it is. And remember that while using this tablet, these shortcut buttons, you have to keep these shortcut buttons on the left side and then use this pen tablet. There are 8 shortcut keys on this tablet. If you want to change the settings of this shortcut keys, then you can click on this. You will find here the function of all the keys mentioned here. If you want to change it, you can change it from here for all the keys. But normally, during online teaching, I use this pen tablet for writing only, and for other functions, I use mouse. So I don't need these keys during my online teaching. So if you want to change this setting, you can change from here, or you can keep it as it is. Now I have connected this tablet with my laptop, and now I am showing you how to use it during the online teaching. Now I will sign in into my Webex account. Now to start teaching online using pen tablet, we have to use whiteboard option. For that, click on share here. Scroll down, you will get new whiteboard option here. Click on that. Once you click on share whiteboard, you will get screen like this. So whenever you use the pen tablet, please see that the shortcut keys should be on your left hand side. To write on this whiteboard, we have two options, pen tool and pencil tool. So if you use pen tool, you will get very thick line. So now I am writing with the pen on my tablet. So you can see that if you use pen tool, the line is very thick. So for teaching purpose, you have to use pencil option. So I will select here pencil option, pencil tool. If you want to erase this, you can use this eraser and erase this. Now using this pencil option, let us see how we can write. So I am using pen to write on this tablet. If you want to change the color, you can change the color from here. So you can write with this pen. It is very convenient to use this pen. It is writing very smoothly on this tablet. If you want to change the color of your pen, you can change it, or you can use it like this. So you can see here how smoothly we can write with the help of pen. So if you want to erase something, you can erase from here. You can change color. And it is very convenient to use this pen for mathematical subject especially. So you have various options here. So you can use this for drawing various shapes. So here we have square shape. So you can draw a square using this pen. You can draw oval shape or circular shape using this oval option like this. Then we have two more options here. This mark like this. Then we have cross option. Okay. One more thing is here, that is line option. So you can draw line if you want. Then we have this highlight option. If you want to highlight something, you can highlight with the help of this. Then in line option, you have two more options, that is arrow option. So you can draw arrow if you want. You can draw double-headed arrow. That option is also here, double arrowhead. So you can draw double arrowhead like this. If you want to type something, you can type with the help of this T option. So you can directly start writing here with the help of keyboard. You can scroll down this whiteboard like this with the help of mouse if you want. Then if you want to add one more whiteboard to this, then you can always go to share option available and then select new whiteboard. you will get new whiteboard and you can again start writing on this new whiteboard with the help of pen, or you can type here. And suppose you want to refer previous whiteboard, you can go here and you can select earlier whiteboard. So you can get whatever written earlier and you can refer to this. You can change your whiteboard using this option. Now after writing, if you want to save this board, whatever written on this board, you can use this save option which is available here. So click on this. You will get here option where to save this. So select proper path and then click on this save to save this, whatever you have written on this whiteboard. So it is very convenient to use this pen tablet for online teaching, especially for mathematical subjects. We can save a lot of time in preparing PPTs and typing long equations or drawing sketches. I find this pen tablet very useful to conduct online lectures. I hope you will find this video useful for installation of pen tablet and conducting online lectures using this pen tablet. Thank you for watching this video.